This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Scott Offstein. Beautiful corner townhome in the gated community of Merrick Preserv. This spacious 3-bed, 3-bath corner unit townhome offers peaceful preserve views and ideal floor plan. The first floor features a private bedroom with a full bathroom and large closet. Upstairs, you'll find 2 additional bedrooms, including a generous primary suite with dual vanities and a large walk-in closet. The second bedroom also has a full bathroom. A versatile loft area includes the washer and dryer and provides ample space for a home office, study area, or additional living space. The kitchen is appointed with marble countertops and stainless steel appliances, while the living areas feature tile flooring and the bedrooms have wood flooring throughout. Step outside to your private paver patio and enjoy the serene outdoor setting. Merrick Preserv. For more information, review the details below.